How were the Dessa metro tunnels built underground? Imagine a city bustling with traffic and busy streets, and then picture a system that runs beneath it all, hidden from view. That's how the Washington, D.C. metro tunnels were built. The main method used was called cut and cover. This technique involves digging a large trench from the surface, constructing the tunnel inside that trench, and then covering it back up. It was popular in the 1970s because it was cost-effective and relatively straightforward. But it did cause a lot of street disruptions, as roads had to be closed and rebuilt during construction. In areas where digging a trench wasn't practical, like under existing buildings or tricky soil conditions, engineers used tunnel boring machines. These are giant machines that drill through soil and rock, creating tunnels with minimal surface disturbance. They look like enormous, cylindrical drills that slowly carve their way underground. Sometimes in rocky areas, workers used drill and blast techniques, which involve drilling holes into the rock, filling them with explosives, and carefully blasting to break the rock apart. For softer ground, like sandy or loose soils, a method called the sequential excavation method was used. This involves excavating small sections at a time, then immediately supporting each section with sprayed concrete and steel supports. This keeps the ground stable and prevents collapses. To make the ground even stronger, especially in soft or waterlogged soils, engineers injected grout, special cement-like material, through pipes ahead of the tunnel face. This process, called chemical grouting, helped stabilize the soil and keep groundwater out. Building these tunnels wasn't just about digging underground. They had to be waterproofed, so water wouldn't seep in, and designed with safety features like wider cross-sections to meet fire safety rules. All these techniques allowed the metro to be built under busy streets and neighborhoods without causing too much chaos on the surface. Understanding how these tunnels were built helps explain why some metro lines run directly under major roads and neighborhoods. It was a huge project that reshaped parts of the city during the 1970s. The choices made during construction still influence how the metro operates and how the city plans future transit projects. So next time you ride the metro, remember the incredible engineering that went into creating those underground pathways.